Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogtober Day 3. My name is Ciara. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, I welcome you. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be going to Burlington as well as TJ Maxx and Hobby Lobby. I am doing a fall walkthrough in this video as I'm showing you guys some of the items that they have as well as the prices for some of the items. I really came in here to look for some items to add towards my fall decor as I'm looking for a throw to add for my decor in my living room on my couch. I'm also looking for just a couple different pieces to put up around the house and add on to the fall collection that I have from the previous years. Every year I tend to grab a couple different things and add that into what I already have just to build on so that I can go through things in the years to come and not always pull everything out. So they had a really good selection of things. These were my favorite. $7 for these nice cute pumpkins is amazing, especially when they have 4 colors that you guys can get them in. I'm going to stop talking and let you guys get into the full walkthrough of Burlington, TJ Maxx, and Hobby Lobby. Thank you all so much for tuning in to today's video. One of my favorite Halloween movies is Hocus Pocus, so anything I see that basically has anything from like a saying to anything talking about witches or anything talking about simply just Hocus Pocus, I do tend to buy and get. And of course, that is like my ultimate theme to my home at Halloween time, especially when I start my fall up. I do put up the Hocus Pocus stuff. So in this walkthrough, I found a lot of great items, and like now that I know that they're there, I'm able to come back if I need to when like the season starts to fade away to get those markdowns. So I did end up picking up this Broom Squad towel set. So I was thinking of putting this in the kitchen, and then I also thought about like putting it in the bathroom. Who knows? But I like to just buy anything that I see that has like the Hocus Pocus theme on it, and that's just me, and it's just something that I set to the side. So I will like continue to build on that stash of Hocus Pocus stuff and go from there. I normally do not decorate outside, so that's just not even something that I look for. I do not like to decorate the outside because of just like the surroundings of people, but I do love to put up window clings and stuff like that. I also enjoy finding so many candles, especially ones that smell so good, like apple cinnamon, or ones that smell like pumpkin and stuff like that. So, you know, normally I get candles and stash them to the side for whenever I'm ready to use them. And they definitely make a great prop for decor as well until you are ready to use them. So many great items here in Hobby Lobby, and I love the fact that they give you the official pricing guide. There are plates, napkins, cups in fall designs and stuff like that, which would be great for a coffee bar, as well as like just a stand that you are going to decorate. They also have like a lot of great two-tier stands, as well as like things for cooking and baking, such as like spatulas and tongs and stuff like that. Not only does Hobby Lobby have things for like baking and stuff like that, but they also have stuff for like the kitchen to put up for decor, other little small things for you to use like wooden spoons, and bowls and cups and stuff like that. They just have a really great selection for you to choose from. So Hobby Lobby is somewhere that we do not have in my city. I just tend to like show my mom, hey, this is what I'm looking for, and she'll go in and literally look for it for me. So I think that the mugs that I just seen in the video is something that I need to tell her that I want, and for her to look for me for, as I'm trying to get majority of my mugs to just be in a stand. That way I can wash them, let them dry, and put them back into the stand easily. And so a lot of great decor for your home can be found here in Hobby Lobby. And a lot of things to use for crafts for the kids to keep those busy in the fall, and of course around Halloween time is a really great thing as well. Not only do I like Hobby Lobby's prices, I also love the fact that they offer better prices and the discounts of like the 40 to 50% off around the fall start to the season. They have a wide, great selection of items, and they're really at a great price, as I said before. The thing about Hobby Lobby is they have aisles and aisles of fall decor and eventually the Christmas decor. As we come to the end of this video, I would like to say thank you all for joining me on my walkthrough of my 3 stores to show you guys what fall decor they have or what they had, as you should check out your local TJ Maxx, Burlington, and Hobby Lobby. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also consider hitting that subscribe button down below because Vlogtober is still rocking and rolling. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogtober day 4.